In washing machine manufacturing, transportation bolts may be small components, but they play a critical role in ensuring product safety during transport. The core value of Hua Hong's washing machine transportation bolt assembly equipment lies in its ability to support mass production. By replacing repetitive manual work with automation, it ensures consistent assembly standards while maintaining a stable production rhythm. As output increases, stable assembly capability becomes the key foundation.